Cowan was a South African radio DJ and co-host of the morning show The Breakfast Express, weekdays on Johannesburg local radio station 947. After leaving The Breakfast Express, she took over the afternoon slot on 702. After a short stint as host of the afternoon show, she was replaced by Azania. She has now left radio. Cowan co-authored, with Lee van Loggerenberg, the Irreverent Mother's Handbook. Cape Town. Oshun Books. 2009. ISBN 978-1-77020-0852. In 2014, Cowan completed the 7.5 kilometers swim to Robben Island in what was the coldest recorded water temperature ever for this route for first-time swimmers.